what the heck is going on? Who is this person? What do they want? And why me? How you doing? This video is very different and very interesting with actually no scripture. The reason why I'm making this video is to shed some light on what happened to me the past 45 to 50 days. Follow me on this, okay? It's a normal day. Wake up, go to the gym, go about my business, out in the field, running appointments, driving around from town to town. Literally, I was here in the valley. I was posting, I was looking at your stories, I was creating stories. It was a normal day and a normal day on social media. All of a sudden, I get a notification from WhatsApp, out of all places. You see this message right here? I took a screenshot of this message before this person deleted his message and before I blocked him. Now let me read you what this disturbing text message says. I see the WhatsApp come up from a 530 phone number, didn't recognize it. The text message reads, Jay? I said, yes, how can I help you? I mean, you see my response. This account has just been deleted. I will ask you for the sum of $1,299 and you can only pay me for crypto. I wait for an answer soon. Blocking me, you will not solve anything. Once you see the message, I will wait 2 hours. If I don't have a response, I will delete your account forever. If you want to recover it, talk to me at this number with the link that you can see. I go to my Instagram to see how real this is. My account's there. A refresh is no longer there. I don't click on any link. I log out. I log back in. I post a story. The guy, minutes later, sees that I posted a story, texts me on WhatsApp, says check again. This time, my account was no longer there. What the heck is going on? Who is this person? What do they want? And why me? Guess what I came to find out? That the reason why my account was disabled was because this hacker, this spammer, this hijacker, this lowlife, this no good for society person went on to 4 or 5 different Instagram bot accounts that he has. He took my picture and then he reported my authentic, my real Instagram page to Instagram saying I was trying to be him. Think about this. He reported to Instagram, to Meta, to Facebook that I was impersonating him. With no question, with no investigation, Instagram simply shut my account down for exactly 45 days. I wasn't in a position to troubleshoot the account. There was a point where my anxiety was shooting through the roof. I didn't let my anxiety or the fact that my Instagram was no longer in service get the best of me. So I just let it be. I ignored this person. I blocked him. Simple as that. Didn't pay him a single dollar. I tried to troubleshoot the account. I reached out to Facebook. Oh, and by the way, I gotta tell you, I'm Meta verified, okay? Like I'm paying a monthly subscription to avoid situations as such. It still happened. I kid you not, a good 4 or 5 hours trying to troubleshoot this. Look, it came to a point where had it not been for last month's book of the month, Los Cuatro Acuerdos, or the 4 Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz, or I probably wouldn't have handled myself as great as I did had it not been for that book. Shout out to you, Patrick. Thank you very much. You recommend the best books at the perfect times. Thank you for that, man. Had it not been for me reading that book several times, anxiety would have been through the roof. 2 days ago, I get a message from Brenda, which is my marketing manager, and she said, hey, what did you do? You brought back your JJ Towers account. I'm like, what? Hey, are you sure? She says, yes, I'm looking at it right now. I said, no, let me look into it. First, I searched JJ Towers up and it's there. Then I'm like, okay, well, let me log on. I kid you not, I was happy, I was excited, not to get my account back, but happy that I didn't pay this thief. And more than anything, I paid him no anxiety, no worries. I'm happy to tell you that my JJ Towers Instagram account is back. I did create a brand new Instagram account by the name of JT Entrepreneur. That's going to be my backup account. That just goes to show you how crazy, how unreliable this system is. Imagine if I was making a living off of Instagram and I was nowhere to be found for 45 days. I'd have no income and there's absolutely nothing I'd have been able to do. So if you are in a situation where this happens to you, just know that your account is going to come back more than likely in 45 days. And if it doesn't, it's not the end of the world. I lost 0 sleep. I'm good. Nothing happened. At the end of the day, that's not how I make a living. Luckily, guys, I hope you found this of value, and I hope more than anything that this does not happen to you. Before you let me go, before you stop watching this, please be sure to follow me on my backup account, JT Entrepreneur. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.
Thank you so much, Juan, for that message. Hi, I'm Brenda and I work at GoTo. This job has given me the opportunity to work from home and some other places. We are hiring and we're looking for the next leader. So if you think that's you, please reach out to us.